Can you do the ball? There you go. Good job. Hey. I know. I have no idea who would put patent leather soles on baby shoes. Oh, there it goes. Good job. Good job. Almost. You missed a little bit. Can I help you? Mer, mer, mer. Mer, mer, mer. Mom, 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 mom. Hi. What is this, Saoirse? Saoirse. Where are you going? Hi. Why are you climbing on me? Boink. That's your closet. It is. Boink. That's your closet. That's your bedroom door. That's your gate. Oh, why so sad? You don't want to come play with your can? Ooh. Do you want it? Do you want to come get it? No, I'm tired of playing with the can. Come on. Yeah, that is pretty fun though, isn't it? Moo, 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 moo. Moo.